Hello, it's Madeline from Italy Beyond the Obvious. Welcome to the lesson on customer acquisition. This is a two-part lesson, and this part is the website and the blog. So, of the people who have contacted me over the years and asking me questions about how to do what I do, this is the number one question I get. How do I get customers is what people want to know. And it's a very, as you can imagine, different approach, and so we're going to talk about my method, what I have used over the years. It takes time. It takes an investment on the front end, but if you set it up, it works. So let me show you what has worked for me. And I will start by saying that Italy Beyond the Obvious right now spends $0 on customer acquisition. I have everything set up so that it just works, and I get between referrals, which is 50%, and customers that find me online is 50%. I spend $0 on marketing. I have ideas if you would like to spend dollars on marketing. Anyway, let's dive in. So I'm going to hammer in a few points that I have, I want to make sure you keep in the front of your mind about this type of business. So, remember, you are an online business. You want people to find you online. And what that means is that they are looking for you. They have a problem. They're looking to solve it. Their problem is that they want to plan a trip, and they are looking for help planning that trip. Maybe they don't realize that they're looking for help, but then when they find your website, they're like, hallelujah, thank goodness. So this advice is all geared towards that, remembering you are an online business and your customers are going to find you online. So that means you need an online presence. So you need to be Googleable. When people type your name into a search engine, they need to see results. If you're not found anywhere online, the customers are going to be a little bit curious as to why you don't come up anywhere. And remember that we're talking about the quality of the customer. We identified in the lesson about the customer about some very specific customers that we are targeting. And you need to think of that customer, keep that customer in mind. You do not want millions of people from around the web to be finding your website, because your phone will be ringing off the hook all day. You'll be spending time talking to people who are not a good fit. You want quality, not quantity of customers.